Hello students, this is Dabarchana Rao, lecturer in computer science. In our previous slide, we have already discussed about the layouts that affects or that are the main factors for the computer center, such as workshop, such as humidity, dust cleaning, etc. So in our today's slide, we are going to discuss an elaborate version of some of the factors that affect the computer center or that affect computers in a computer center. So let's start. Our first point of discussion will be false roofing. False roofing is a secondary roofing hangs under the main roof ceiling. We can also say it as a secondary layer or second layer of roof suspended from the main roof with the help of metal or wooden frame. We also call it drop ceiling or suspended roofing. So we need to know why we really require a false roofing. Basically, false roofing provides protection from elements such as wind, that may be unwanted factor in our computer center. So with wind, any high or low temperatures, sunlight, maybe snow or rain in some places. So false roofing also offers functional features as good acoustics. Where required, sound can be enhanced, and at the same point of time unwanted sound can be minimized too. Besides providing protection, the bottom of the roof serves attractiveness of false ceiling using decorative ceiling panels. So, if we summarize all the points, false roofing is one of the very most important factor in computer centers. It protects the center and also the system from factors like wind, high-low temperatures, snow, rain, etc. As well as it provides a good enhanced sound inside the room, and at the same point of time it serves attractiveness to eyes by the decorative ceiling panels. So let's move to the next important factor we all know about is air conditioning. So computer room air conditioning, or we can say CRAC, are most commonly used in data centers, or we can say computer centers. It is the unit that is used to monitor and maintain the temperature of the room in which computer equipment can operate properly. So we all know, for a proper working of a system without any hazardous effect or without any malfunctioning, we need to cool down the computer. We have already used many heat sinks while processing the computer. It generates a lot of heat. So in order to monitor and maintain it, we need computer room air conditioning. The basic purpose of CRAC is to keep multiple machines working efficiently and to control the heat emission from affecting the computer and other devices in the lab. So we all are clear about air conditioning, that it really maintains the temperature of the room so that multiple machines can work efficiently without any emission of excess heat. Besides that also, the air conditioning rooms, or we can say CRAC, maintain the proper air distribution and also checks the humidity of all network rooms. So these were all the advantages of CRAC. So next we will move to next important factor, that is dust proofing or dust cleaning. In order to protect the computer center from dust particle, we must really follow some proper maintenance, like closing the doors, windows, installing air conditions, etc. Leaving dust intact can be hazardous to the computer and also may do some malfunctionings in the computer. With accumulated dust, the airflow is greatly reduced, which eventually lead to excessive heat that can damage the computer hardware and other components too. So, it is very much important for the process of dust proofing. The practice of dust proofing can prolong the life of the computer by reducing the chances of hardware failure. So these were some of the important factors that we need to follow while doing a computer center. So next we will be discussing about what are the equipment conditioning factors and what are the devices we use for conditioning the equipment. So this much for this slide. Thank you.